Hey, it's Amy Tangerine. I'm here with my American Crafts collection, Sunshine and Good Times. I'm so excited to show it to you. We've got really fun, everyday theme going on here of just positive, happy vibes, really great icons that you can use for your everyday projects. We've got products that are great for planners. These stickers are some of my favorite, and they have this iridescent effect on them. Right here, it's a really fun little detail. Can you capture that? Yeah, perfect. And then also this paper right here, it's the acetate, and it comes clear, and it's got these tiny little specks of confetti that are super fun to use. We've also got a great card kit where you can DIY 8 different cards. This is a fun new product with the tassels, so you can hang them off of your planners or your backpack. This is another favorite one of mine. It's the Let's Dance thickers with my handwriting in an ombre effect. The thickers here have a glitter top, but they also have a mint side, which is a fun little detail. These decorative clips and the paper clips are great for planners, as well as the tiny little puffy stickers. And of course, I love the inflated ephemera. I've got the rainbow hanging off of my bullet journal right here. These die cuts are great because they're both acetate and the cardstock, and they also have the foil accents on them. Of course, everybody loves washi tape. There's 8 different rolls here. And this is a great stamp for planners. Got tiny little icons. And of course, our pattern papers are double-sided and super fun. The prints are great. So here you can see the stamps that I didn't highlight, but they're the wood stamps. And here's another clip in action on the scrapbook layout. This is what the ombre thicker looks like on a project, and these are the watercolor resist cards. You can customize them any way you like and add your personal touch to them. Everybody can feel like an artist.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!